Quillbot is an AI-based paraphrasing tool that can rewrite any text in different ways while keeping the meaning and tone intact. You can use it to generate alternative sentences, synonyms, summaries, and even creative writing prompts. It uses AI to analyze the context and the structure of your content, and then tunes the language so that it's logical, organized, and free of errors. So let's say I am writing an article about why businesses should be enabled by technology, and I am struggling to properly phrase the introduction. I am just going to copy this paragraph and paste it into Quillbot, and then click on Paraphrase on the right. It will suggest the improved version of the text and highlights the changes with colors. The orange ones are changed words, and the yellow underline indicates structural changes. Now you can rephrase specific words by just clicking on it, and it gives you a list of options. We can change is will have resumed to is detailed in. You also get the option to change the mode. Say for example, the fluency mode has a different phrasing of the paragraph. You have other modes as well, but those are available upon subscription. In addition to paraphrasing, Quillbot also offers many other features including a grammar checker, a plagiarism checker, proofreader, and a content summarizer. For instance, you just paste some article inside here and Quillbot can summarize it for you. There are two options available, summarizing with key sentences or paragraphs, where it will create a unique paragraph summarizing your content. You can increase or decrease the length with this slider. This free tool is a great companion for your writing. Quillbot has a free version that allows you to rewrite up to 700 characters per query and a premium version that gives you more features and unlimited queries. In India, it will cost you around $10 per month. Quillbot is definitely a useful resource for improving your writing in the overly crowded AI tool space.